Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. And small update what's happening here in Beaver's Guts garage. Telling you, I was very slow in the last 2 weeks. It was always minus 15 to 20 outside, and I barely could make up to plus temperatures here, so maybe maximum was +1. So I decided to quit until it gets warmer outside, and now it's -5 only, and I have 0 in my garage with all my heating equipment, which does not help at all. Infrared, some heaters, simply because my roof is without any isolation. This is my plan for next summer to put some isolation in my roof. Anyways, what's happening here? Look, I'm starting making up some makeups here, mock-ups, and yeah, it's getting shape, huh? My new tank. All right, so problems. You see, I made a stupid mistake. I decided not to put here any construction in at the moment, because I wanted to get good enough space to weld here around, because these are nasty places to weld. And of course, during my weld, everything was twisted. So I actually supposed to put here from the very beginning the support construction, so that this stays in place without minimal moving. So I have to fix it later. Same shit happened here. Look, 1 millimeter gap instead of was 11. Again, during the weld, all went down. Okay, tank. I got a tank. Very nice. I guess very nice tank. Old school. I will weld the cap here in the top, so I will be able to use the whole capacity of the tank. What else? Back rear fender, I also cut it out 3 centimeters, narrowed it, and this is the way I think it will be, like this. So also I started making some struts here. Look around, nasty garage full of trash. I'm making struts like this, something like this. This is my plan for the weekend, to put the struts here. Also, I'm actually very proud what I've done with the brackets support, brake support here. Look, that was original way. It was like this. So because of the interference here with the suspension, what I decided to do, like Japanese, I saw they do it like this. They put it like here, and from here they put some support rod here. But then you have to, maybe I believe you need to change it, this support from the maybe big bikes like Road King or Electroglides, from old stuff, because they have this connection place on that side. But what I did, I just trimmed this aluminum here. I will put it like this, and I created the support rod here, so it will go like this, and it will be like this. I don't know if you see, but anyway, blah, it will be like this. I think looks just perfect. All right, that's it for now. I'm continuing in this bloody freezing atmosphere. Cheers!